Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker took a romantic stroll that led them to an outdoor wedding ceremony. As guests stared, the couple, of course, proceeded to make out. Kourtney Kardashian, 42, and Travis Barker, 45, inadvertently stole the show at a stranger's wedding ceremony in Montecito, California over the weekend. The lovebirds, who are no strangers to packing on plenty of PDA together, were out on a romantic stroll at the Rosewood Miramar Beach resort on Saturday, July 24 when they ended up near a wedding ceremony taking place in the main courtyard, according to E! News. And once the guests noticed Kourtney and Travis, the A-list couple unsurprisingly quickly became the center of attention. Several wedding guests wanted a chance to talk to the couple, but the lovebirds looked happy and started to make out, an eyewitness who was attending the wedding told E! News exclusively. They exited the patio area they were in and held hands while walking toward the beach, the onlooker added. A different eyewitness told the publication that Kourtney and Travis also spent time at the resort earlier that day chatting with Tommy Lee by the pool. They were just talking with Tommy Lee and his wife. When they exited the pool, Travis held the door for Kourtney, said the eyewitness. Kourtney and Travis have enjoyed quite the PDA-filled relationship over the last few months. In fact, during the couple's recent romantic trip to Las Vegas, The Sun reported that they actually got engaged. Per the report, the Keeping Up with the Kardashians star and the Blink-182 drummer got engaged during the getaway to Sin City and plan to marry later this year. She doesn't want a show wedding like her sisters, just a beautiful, intimate celebration where it's about making a new family, the report claimed. Neither Kourtney or Travis have commented on the alleged engagement news. If Kourtney does eventually tie the knot with Travis, it would be her first marriage. She was previously in a decade-long relationship with Scott Disick, but the two never got hitched. They did, however, welcome 3 children together, sons Mason Disick, 11, and Rain Disick, 6, and daughter Penelope Disick, 9. Meanwhile, Travis was previously married to Shanna Moakler from 2004 to 2008, and they share 2 children together, daughter Alabama, 15, and son Landon, 17. He was also previously married to Melissa Kennedy from 2001 to 2002.